Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just going to do a quick little walkthrough here of IDFL Vietnam. This is our brand newest state-of-the-art laboratory right here in District 2 of Ho Chi Minh City. So without further ado, let's actually head right inside the laboratory. We actually just received a couple of brand new Downproof boxes here, as you can see. Right through here, going through the samples. This is where the samples actually arrive. Moving along here. This is our check-in area. It's Christmas time. We got Vicky over here getting everything nailed in. We're going to go down here in just a little bit and do the fill power testing. But this is where we have our laboratory. Say hi to everybody, Jenny.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, this is Jenny. Yes. And then over here, this is Heen. Say hi, Heen. All right, cool. Let's go on upstairs. All right, now we're moving into the second floor here, this right here is actually our check-in, so the samples come up here. Then they're actually taken care of right here. And that's our little vacuum machine to clean everything out right there. Looks like we have all the samples gone for the day. So in here we're just basically doing net fill weight and all of the conditioning. Then we go over here. Here is the sample shelves. And here is the staff who's doing all of the composition. Got Mr. Tom over there and Tweed, Dean right here, and then we got the towel over there, and Aing, and yeah. And there goes our expert right there, Ingrid Sandria. Fantastic. So that's the second floor here. Let's go on up the elevator. The second floor here is just basically full of storage. We take care of all of the samples. Some of them we hold for 2 years. Some of them we actually hold for a lot less time. These bikes are in current indefinite storage. This is all of our samples right here. This is all of our supplies. Just giving a quick little tour here. And this is our Audit Department. We got Long over there. This is Tweed's desk there. She's actually not there. And then nice little bathroom here. So each one of the floors is the same thing. We have an elevator that goes up right here. Once again, this is the basement floor. We're coming out over right here. Our little bathroom right over here. We have our Downproof fill power boxes right over here. Yeah, everything is actually steamed right here and dried. We have our extra cylinders here. This is actually the another little sucker machine, so we can clean up all of the down and whatnot. And this right here is our brand new state-of-the-art fill power room. It is actually a really nice little area here with our own airlock doors going inside here, and inside of here we can see basically how the room is set up. We have a pretty heavy steam coming out up here, so that's why we are having the fan set up over here. We have our samples off the floor, and all of our samples are being stored here. Our equipment is actually right over there, and that is our fill power room. So here you can look out here and you can see all the rest of the details over there. Alright, and going back out. And then very last of all is we have the little bit of a garage kind of place over here for all of the staff. Alright, here is the textile lab and the wet lab floor. We receive all the samples here, and then over here we actually do the cutting and the preparation. After the samples are actually cut here, we come over here. This is a brand new room we just had created. This is all for the creation of the Downproof pillows. This keeps the down separate from the rest of the Downproof testing. And right here we have we have 3 Downproof boxes, as I just mentioned, 2 downstairs. And then here's actually the grading table right here. As you see this, you also have we can do some thread count and yarn size and things of that nature over here, as well as there's the EM Downproof. Here's the boxes that are going to be going over here soon. And here's the laboratory, and here's the receiving samples, stuff ready to go to storage. Stand here, we have the bathroom here. And then this is actually our wet lab. So basically here you can actually see all the samples, like wrap samples for today as well. And this is the water purifier. And then this is actually the laboratory. So here you can actually see This we have like regular tap water, we have ISO water, and then just, I forget what the third one is. I think that's drinking water actually. And then we have our shaking machine here, and our oxygen testing, our oven, pH right there, and as well as our scales of desiccated turbidity. It's a beautiful brand new wet lab that's here. It's a little bit messy, but we'll get it cleaned up. It won't be a problem. And so let's actually go up to the last and the fourth floor, coming right out the elevator here. Not much here on the fourth floor. We basically have our washer and our dryers here, and all of the equipment that we actually need right here. So there's our side washer and our top load washer. Have a little bit of a balcony over here for space. This is it, and then we have our extra downproof down over here, and a little storage for a lot of boxes. And then we have the balcony over this way. So if we go back over here, this is the area that we're in right here. Nice little part of town. Pretty quiet. Nice. And there's all of these places around here, good for renting and using and whatnot. But that's pretty much it. Perfect. Thank you very much. Have yourself a beautiful day. Cheers.